Hi, before I start, let me introduce myself in French. Okay? Salut les gars, je m'appelle Jean, j'ai 43 ans, je suis marié et j'ai 12 enfants. Je viens des Philippines, mais en ce moment, je vis au Koweït. Je bosse comme technicien informatique. J'ai décidé d'apprendre le français pour avancer dans ma carrière et aussi parce que j'aimerais m'installer dans un pays francophone, comme le Québec, le Luxembourg ou la Belgique. Voilà. C'est un po mong histoire. So, ibig ko sabihin doon, ako si John, 43 years old. Ako ay married. Meron akong dalawang anak. Taga Pinas ako. Pero ngayon, nandito ako sa Kuwait. Ako ay isang computer technician dito sa Kuwait. Nag-decide ako na mag-aral ng French para sa career advancement at ganun din para makapag-immigrate sa bansang francophone tulad ng Quebec, Luxembourg, Belgium, yun lang. Okay? Actually, this video is not a clickbait. Okay? Believe me, there is a possible way to learn French fast. But the thing is, there is no shortcut. Again, there is a possible way to learn French fast, but there is no shortcut. All we need to do is to learn the best way. The best way which our mind can absorb in learning a language. Actually, it's not only for French, but also for other languages. I tried a lot of apps and methods and also advice from other language experts online. But I will tell you which one is the best and effective way. Okay? So, as a learner who started from scratch way back 2024 last year, I got a good progress on it. And if I could turn back time, I wish I had learned it sooner. Okay, let's get started. I know most of you invested a lot of time learning a language through Duolingo or Anki or Memrise. Well, I have nothing against it. Okay, don't get me wrong. But believe me, I spend a lot of time on this. And again, yes, I gain a lot of vocabulary. But when I asked to speak French, I got nothing to say. Wala akong masabi. No? Because learning vocabulary is just one thing you have to do. So we don't have to depend on this. Okay? So the best way to learn French is to immerse yourself. Immersion. Consider yourself living in a francophone country, even you are not. So kung wala ka sa bansang nagsasalita ng French, imagine mo na nandoon ka at ituring mo yung sarili na nandoon ka sa bansang yon. Okay? And imagine yourself that you don't have choice but to live with the language. So, here's the drill. I advise the couple of months you started learning French. Don't go for online tutor yet, like Lingoda, Preply, or Italki. Not yet. This is good. It's good to go for an online tutor, but not yet. Okay? We can do this later. First of all, you have to read a lot in French. Reading is the key. This is the first thing. Read as much as you can. So if you don't like reading, read something that will interest you. Like me, when I started, I loved topics about technology. So I find topics online where I can read about them, and really it works. Okay? Second, you have to listen a lot. I mean a lot. More. Listen to podcasts that interest you. Listen to news. The good thing is that you can do it whenever you want. While traveling, driving, while doing your household chores. No, you can do it passively. No, is it fine if you don't understand what they are talking about? Just listen to it. Then your brain will adapt to it. And also, while you can do, as I told you, you can do it passively, spend also time, listen actively. What do I mean? try to understand what they are saying. Okay? Try to understand. And try to repeat the words after them. And this is called shadowing. This is for your pronunciation. So you can imitate how they pronounce such words. Okay? Third thing, watch your favorite movies in French and activate the subtitles in English. Okay? Audio in French and subtitles in English. Then you can do it vice versa. Audio in English and subtitles in French. Okay? And also, while doing this, you can also listen to French songs. Then try to sing, even you're not a good singer, try to sing how they sing these French songs. Okay? Very, very important is make sure you learn the language with pleasure. Otherwise, there's a tendency you back out for learning a language, because language learning is not easy, but it's possible. Okay? Now, if you can make a diary and write down what happened to you daily in French, then this is good. This is very effective in writing. Now, for the apps available, I tried a lot of them, but I will tell you which are the best apps which works for me. For reading, you have to download LingQ, and I subscribe to it. Okay? For listening, there is a YouTube channel called Learn French with Panache or Alice Ayel, and it works for me. Or it's up to you, any French YouTuber you like, but make sure they are talking the real conversational French, not by book. Okay? For writing, as I told you, diary will work. Yeah, it works. This is one of the best things you can do. And for speaking, there's an app called Languatalk. Here, you can speak with an AI, and this is the best AI tutor available. You know, it looks like you're speaking to a real native speaker. But the thing is, it's a bit costly. But if you can afford it, then go for it. And I did a lot of speaking practice using this app. There's also an affordable option called Teacher AI. This is good also. And there's also even more affordable options. But the thing is, the AI bot sounds robotic, but it's fine. I subscribe to it, and I'm using it right now. It's called Languatalk. Okay, so I will make another video to talk in details about regarding these apps, but I just want you to know the best methods and apps available for you to learn French fast. So after doing this in 2 months time, okay, couple of months, you can now do an online classes if you like Lingoda if you want. But for me, you don't need it, because you can speak French fast without getting an online tutor. Okay, just following this method, you can speak French fast. Okay, so for your information, I'm going to take TEF exam, test evaluation proxy, in 2 months time. And if you want, you can follow my journey and see if these methods really works or not. Okay, if you want, you can subscribe and like this video, so you will be notified for my newly uploaded videos, and it might be also useful for some of your friends as well. Okay, so bye for now. Sa mga Pilipino nag-aaral mag-French, kita-kits sa susunod na video. Au revoir. Ciao.